Music on.
This is so sad.
Order on.
Oh my goodness.
Anybody who needs to look away, do so now.
Now he moved.
Those without the stomach.
Can I see it? Wait, I want to see this.
He was afraid, man. He was risking his
He's
life.
a brave man.
Can I see it?
No.
In there? Dad, I want to see it.
No, I didn't hear.
Nope, no more.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
What are you doing?
I want to see it.
He's in there.
Can I see it?
Poor thing, he's struggling. He's like,
You can see it when it's finished cooking.
He's already dead.
I wanted to see it. No, he was going like that.
he's struggling.
No, he's just floating around.
Who's in
Are you
death
really
throes.
going to